Green, 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 green. Ooh. Green, 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 green.
My baby is turning 18 next weekend, January
Brooklyn
18th.
and
Oh boy.
green.
Do over Brooklyn. Let's get it.
Ooh.
It's still good, but you must put it in the freezer to set up a little bit because it's too liquidy. Hey, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. Hey, I don't know. I'm trying to find a new intro. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. If you're new here, pull up a seat, click that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification down there so you can stay tuned for when I am coming to you with more delicious recipes from my home to your home. All right. And all the rest of my JCZ fans, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey, I'm about to try this ice cream thing again. And I think all I don't have in this picture is some chocolatey, what is it? Chocolate chip something. She's going to do that at the end and crunch that on her ice cream. I ain't putting none of that. It's like a brownie chocolate chip cookies. She's going to crunch on there. So anyway, instead of trying whole milk, instead of doing whole milk like I did the last time, I am going to try the almond milk unsweetened. I don't like the sweetened one anyway, but it's unsweetened. So I'm going to do that with some heavy cream, 3/4 of sugar. You see I'm smart this time. I got the bag sitting in here, okay? And we're going to pour some kosher salt in our bag of ice here. Hopefully it holds up. This time I got enough ice, I believe. I think. So I'm going to go ahead and put... Oh, no. Sorry. See? Telling y'all the wrong things already. Look, trying to move on and go slow. I'm full, guys. Be right back. Let me get my kosher salt here. If I can find it. I hate when stuff is just not where I want it and where I am. I'm getting out of order. Nothing is getting put back in order, and it is getting out of control. So how about instead of you holding for me, I'll be right back and get started with this. Hey guys, so I'm back. I got the sea salt. So you're going to put, sorry I sound all dry, I'm tired. I'm going to put some sea salt in here. I ain't measuring, I think. I'll go just about that much there with the sea salt. And we got those old grandma chocolate brownie cookies like I was telling you she's going to put on the top of hers. Oh, I love grandma cookies. I don't do that brownie stuff though. So I'm going to close this out. And they said to give it a shake. To shake up the salt. I'm hoping this bag don't bust on me. Getting it all married together. Just going with the flow. I feel like the bag was closer and I think it needs a little bit more. Just a little bit more. I'll come back with y'all with the exact measurements once I post this recipe. So like, ooh, now I think that's too much. Hey, look, late night snack. Late night snack. It ain't late. Still early. Sorry. Oh, now it's getting cold now. Come on. To me, baby. All right, as you can see, I put that bag in that bowl. I'm going to sit this back here for right now till we get ready to put this other one in there. Got the bag in the bowl. Gonna pour in a heavy cream. Or you looking down there? Not me. Ooh, ooh, my back hurt. And oh, I forgot to. I'm grabbing the vanilla, guys. See, I'm just forgetting everything today. All out of order. Of course, that's not gonna be where I put it either. Usually put it because that's just great. Oh, it's right here. Not right here today. Sure isn't. I'll be back. I'm back. 3/4 cup of milk, right? Almond milk. Pour that in there. I don't know if I want all that sugar. Seriously. Vanilla extract. Pure vanilla extract. Sugar. Just a lot of sugar. I ain't putting that whole thing in there. I think I ain't even gonna want that. I ain't gonna want it. Too sweet. And, of course, my lovely almonds. Put some sliced almonds in here, babies. Yes, ma'am. Serious mode. It's hot. Think I'm ready. Think I'm ready, guys. Let's see if this Ziploc bag holds up to what it all seems. Woo, that's cold. Cold, baby. And it said that it should cover it, you know? So maybe I should put some more ice. Huh?
It's gonna cover it when you take it.
But when... Okay. Oh, let me make sure I take the ear. Ooh. Take the ear. Ooh. I gotta spill something. Look. Just all over the place, guys. I'm sorry. I'm being careless tonight. Don't mind me. I'm really in a funk all of a sudden. I don't know, but I'm making a mess. That I do know. Make sure the ear is out. Now, I don't know. Can I get a... This is not... Ugh, that milk all over. I think, like I said, this should be at the bottom. And some at the top of this. A little bit. And so this is very cold, guys. I would probably get something on it. But I want to taste it. Very cold. Feel like I'm out in a winter storm. Feel like I'm out in a winter storm, guys. We're supposed to do this for like 8 minutes. But, you know I have arthritis, so I'm going to take a break. I'm going to cut this out, and I'm going to let Jazzie get back on here. Because I can't have that cold stuff on my hand. This is getting really super cold, trust me. Be right back. Welcome back. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ice dropping. Move this out the way. All right. This ice cream, I think, is going to get as firm as it's going to get. I was going to attempt some ice cream sandwiches with these Italian pizzellis, vanilla flavor. So, it's really soft, guys. I know it. And I'm thinking it might be too wet but it is like so soft. And I'm thinking it might be too wet to put on an ice cream sandwich. What y'all think? Comment down below and let me know what you think. How's your evening going? I hope you're having a marvelous evening. This is really soft and smooth. I don't think this is going to get any harder than we've been going at this for a moment. I'm just going to see how smooth this is. Don't know if I want to put it on there. It's good, but oh, that's good. But you know what? I don't want to do that. Anyway, Jazzie crumbles up her brownie stuff. I'm putting that on there. She about to eat hers. You hear her in there humming. What you humming for? And we about to just dig in. Okay. Bon appetit. I'm gonna put this in the freezer. But it's good. And as I said, I shouldn't have put all that sugar in there. So I'm not gonna put this on here because it's way too soft. But I'm gonna try some of it. Alright. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when I'm coming to you with another delicious video. I'm going to get to this ice cream right here, though. It's too watery, though. We need to hit the freezer. Until next time, as I always say, I love you guys. Stay blessed and peace out.